I got an easy question for you today, but important.
Mhm.
Does your furnace have to be off when you are changing your air filter?
It is best to turn your furnace off. Yes. A couple of reasons for that. First of all, when you take a filter out, when you slide it out of the filter wrap, it's a dirty filter and you're moving it, you dislodge dust, you went and tapped it or something like that, you're gonna see stuff even fall off of it. If you do it while the furnace is on, while the blower is on, it just draws it into the furnace blower compartment, which is exactly why you've got a filter, so it doesn't do that. You're running a real risk of pulling debris, dust and debris into your system that you're defeating the whole purpose for why you even had a filter to begin with. Another reason, just for practical purposes, is when the blower is on, there's air pressure there. There's actually a suction being pulled into the blower compartment. Well, it's pulling on that filter. So as you pull your filter out, it has an extra pressure on it now. It may not want to slide out quite as easily, or it may begin to hang up or something. So the filter is much freer, much easier to pull and move around with the blower off. Turn the power switch off so that doesn't happen. Do your filter changes and then turn it back on. Because the next time would not be the
Which
first
is really the key.
we'll get a phone call. You've experienced it. I don't have any heat or I don't have any air conditioning today. And with a little discussion, I did change the filter this morning. Well, many times that it takes a good part of the day to realize, wait a minute, there's something wrong here. So
Now, which direction does the filter go in? Is there a right way? Is there a wrong way?
there's typically an arrow on the filter. We always want that to point towards the furnace. So for me to say left, right, up, down, everyone's filter is in a different location. We really don't know. But there is an airflow direction. Unless you've got some really strange setup, know that you want that arrow pointing towards the furnace.
Look at the filter, find the arrow, point it towards the furnace.
Right. And then make sure you turn it back on. And we've talked before about how to check your thermostat and make sure it's on. But anytime you change something like that, verify that it is on. Turn the blower on, turn the air conditioner on, make it operate. Because if there's something simple that's not reconnected properly or not turned on properly, you don't want to find out about it at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon or something like that.
Just like a professional would.
Exactly.
All right. Thanks, Dad.